Hi, today I want to show you this small parcel from Taobao. Okay, what is inside? So there are 4 half umbrella. So this is the umbrella handle, and this is here you can see there's a more rubber ring. I can remove it, and now I have to take it off. Yeah, there's the ring. Now I can easily put it through here and put the ring back. So I put the ring back, now it's holding here, and on this side there is a sticker. I have to remove it, and so I can stick it on the wall, and so I can hang keys or small items here. So it's a one package with 3 umbrellas, 3 different colors, one set. It looks quite nice. Not too expensive. I hope you like this. If you like the video, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye.